everyone. Okay, similar to the example that we practiced with lists where we had to just find the sum of the elements of a list, I want you to try one more example with recursion that, well, it's more for practice than anything else. And I want you to try to reverse a string using recursion. Okay, so the parameter that you will take in as input will be the string. And you're going to do some manipulation in the function. Make sure you have a base case. What would be your base case? Think about it. And how would you reverse the string using recursion? Okay, let me open up VS Code. We'll go from there. Okay, so I've just started coding this function. And what would be the base case in the case of reversing a string? When would you not do anything? When would you return nothing? Well, when the string is empty, when the string is nothing. So let's start with that. Let's start with our base case. So I've already written your parameter there, which is a string. So I'm going to say if my string is empty, then you can also use length of my string, but I'm just comparing it to the string itself. Then you can return my string or just nothing, right? Now let's talk about our recursive case. And we say else, which is optional, like I've mentioned. You can have it for code clarity. Oh, that's a tongue twister. Code clarity, but you don't have to have it. Have your else. And what is the else? What is the recursive case in this case? So you're gonna think about our list example. Okay, in our list example, we took the first element of the list and then we passed the rest of the list along. So we're gonna do the same thing here. So we're gonna take the first element of the string. So we're gonna take my string of 0 out of the string, and then we are going to pass the rest of the string to be reversed. But where would you put this first character? Okay, let me give you an example. So if the string is, say, A, B, C, D, E. Now assume this is one string and there's no space. So it's A, B, C, D, E. And now I want you to take this A out. Okay, that's what I'm going to take out. And I'm going to pass the rest of this string to the function B, C, D, E. We know how to do that. We're going to do that by calling our function, reverse, reverse string. We're going to call it on, remember our list example, similar to that. We're going to call it on that part of the string that doesn't include this first character, okay, the first element. But in the list, we added it. Here, also we need to add it, but where do we add this first character? It's not at the beginning, because if we add it at the beginning, we're going to kind of get the same string back. So instead, what we do in order to reverse it is we add that character back at the end, okay? So if you look at what we've done here, the base case is empty, just return nothing. For the recursive case, I want you to call the function again, call the recursive function again, call reverse string on that part of the string that does not include the first character, and then move that first character to the end of the string. Okay, so we're reversing the string character by character. Let's test it out. Let's take our A, B, C, D, E as an example. Oh, actually, you know what? In this case, let's first test out an empty string. Should we do that? Yeah. All right. Let me clear so you can see the output. Return nothing, right? Now, let's pass A, B, C, D, E. And it returns E, D, C, B, A. Okay, so on and so forth. And you can test it out. I hope this was useful to you. If you have any questions, you could send me an email, or you can, again, maybe comment just here and somebody can reply. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.